Hello children, today I am going to read out this cute little story of the three pigs named Piggy, Wiggly and Squiggly. The name of the story is The Three Little Pigs. It's an interesting story, so let's begin. Once upon a time, three little pigs lived in a forest. Their names were Piggy, Wiggly and Squiggly. They would play all day in the forest and at night sleep under a banyan tree. One day, a wicked wolf came to live in the forest. He began to eat the animals one by one. Oh my God, this wolf is really very, very dangerous. Let's see what happened after that. The pigs were very scared and decided that they must build their own houses, as it was no longer safe to sleep under the tree. Squiggly, who was the laziest of all, decided to make his house with straw. He gathered some straw from the farm and quickly put together his straw hut. He asked his brothers to stay with him, but they refused. They wanted to make their own houses. Now children, here straw. What is straw? Straw is dried grass kind of material. Can you see here? Dried grass. So this is straw. At night, the wicked wolf came upon Squiggly's house. And he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down. Squiggly ran away to the forest just in time. Squiggly went to Wiggly's place to take shelter. Wiggly was busy making his house with sticks. Both of them dug the sticks deep into the ground and finished making their house. Now here children, you can see who is this? This is Wiggly and this is Squiggly. Squiggly came to Wiggly's house to take shelter. Now Wiggly is making his house using sticks. So children, let's see what happened after that. Now they felt safe from the wicked wolf. Sure enough, the wolf came that night, and he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew Wiggly's house down. Both Squiggly and Wiggly ran for their lives. They ran straight to Piggy, who was the wisest of the three. He was working hard constructing his house. Piggy was making his house with cement and bricks. Squiggly and Wiggly saw that a lot of work still needed to be done. Piggy told his brothers not to worry and that if the three of them worked together, they could build a strong house before nightfall. That night, the big bad wolf was there. He had one look at Piggy's house and he huffed and he puffed, but could not blow the house down. Again, the big bad wolf huffed and he puffed and he could not blow the house down. He kept trying till he felt tired and too weak to trouble the pigs. Squiggly and Wiggly realized the importance of working hard and working as a team. The three little pigs lived happily ever after. Now, this is such an interesting story, children. So, what do we learn from this story? Every story has got something to teach us. So, from this story, we learn that hard work and dedication always bring success. The first two pigs quickly built their homes in order to have more time to play. But the third pig worked really hard, putting a lot of time and effort to build a strong and sturdy house. Here children, you can see this house of Piggy. It is made of cement and bricks and it is very strong. So children, I hope you all like the story and will surely incorporate these values of hard work and dedication in whatever things you do in your life. Chalo children, see you soon in the next story. Bye-bye.